In a significant move that's making headlines across the country, Toyota has just announced a major safety recall in the United States, impacting more than 55,000 vehicles. This is not just a minor update or a routine check. This recall is a serious step, taken to address a potential risk that could affect thousands of drivers and their families. The recall specifically targets some of Toyota's newest and most popular hybrid models, vehicles that many Americans rely on for their daily commutes, family trips, and long-distance travel. These hybrids are known for their efficiency and reliability, making this announcement especially important for current owners. The timing of the announcement, coming right before the busy holiday travel season, adds to the urgency. With millions of people preparing to hit the road to visit loved ones, Toyota's decision to act now is a clear signal that safety comes first, especially when so many families are planning long drives. When a recall is issued, it means that a safety issue has been discovered, one that could potentially put drivers, passengers, and even others on the road at risk. It's a proactive measure, designed to catch problems before they lead to accidents or injuries. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, has reviewed the situation and officially confirmed and publicized the recall. Their involvement ensures that the issue is being handled with the highest level of oversight and transparency. The root of the problem lies in a specific component inside the hybrid system. According to Toyota, this part may not have been assembled correctly at the factory, which could lead to unexpected malfunctions or even a sudden loss of power while driving. Toyota is moving quickly to address the issue, working with dealerships and service centers nationwide to inspect and repair affected vehicles. Their goal is to prevent any accidents before they happen and to restore peace of mind for every customer. Recalls like this are actually quite common in the auto industry. They're a standard part of keeping vehicles safe and reliable, and they're designed to protect consumers from known defects that could compromise safety on the road. Over the coming weeks, Toyota will be reaching out to every affected owner, providing clear instructions and support. Whether it's a simple inspection or a more involved repair, Toyota is committed to making the process as smooth and convenient as possible. If you own a newer Toyota hybrid, it's important to pay close attention to this recall. Check your mail, email, or the official Toyota website for updates and instructions on what to do next. Remember, a recall is a formal safety campaign, not just a suggestion. It's a call to action to ensure your vehicle is as safe as possible for you and your loved ones. In this video, we'll break down which specific cars are involved, explain the exact nature of the problem, discuss the potential risks, and walk you through the steps you need to take if your vehicle is affected. Stay tuned to find out if your vehicle is on the list, how to check your VIN, and what you should do next to keep yourself and your family safe. Above all, remember, your safety is Toyota's top priority, and they are taking every step necessary to resolve this issue quickly and effectively. Hearing about a car recall can be alarming, especially if you rely on your vehicle every day. You might wonder if your car is safe to drive, or if you'll be stuck with expensive repairs. But in reality, a recall is a proactive step taken to protect you and everyone else on the road. It's a process designed to keep you safe by identifying and fixing potential problems before they lead to accidents or injuries. Recalls are not about blaming car owners, they're about making sure vehicles meet strict safety standards. A recall happens when a car manufacturer, or the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, known as the NHTSA, discovers a defect or problem that could pose a safety risk to drivers, passengers, or even people outside the vehicle. This could involve critical components like brakes that help you stop safely, engines that keep your car running smoothly, airbags that protect you in a crash, or even electrical systems that control important functions. The main goal of a recall is to fix the defect at no cost to you, the owner, before it has a chance to cause harm. This means you get a safer car without having to pay for the repairs. Not every car of a certain model or year is always affected. Sometimes, only vehicles built during a specific time frame or at a certain factory are at risk. But all vehicles that could be impacted are recalled as a precaution, to make sure no one is left unprotected. When a recall is issued, manufacturers are required by law to notify all registered owners. You'll usually get a letter in the mail explaining the situation and what you need to do next. The repair or replacement is always free. Recalls can start in a few different ways. Sometimes, the car company finds a problem during their own testing. Other times, the NHTSA investigates after receiving complaints from car owners or reports of accidents. If a safety defect is confirmed, a recall is officially announced and repairs are coordinated through dealerships and authorized service centers. This ensures that the fix is done correctly and safely. Receiving a recall notice isn't a reason to panic, but it is important to take it seriously. Acting quickly helps prevent accidents and keeps your car in top condition. The notice will clearly explain what the problem is, what risks are involved, and the steps you should take to get your car repaired. It will also tell you where to go and who to contact for help. Ignoring a recall means you're choosing to drive with a known safety issue which could put you, your loved ones, and others at risk. Even if your car seems to be running fine, hidden defects can cause sudden problems. By getting the free repair, you're not just protecting yourself and your passengers, you're also helping to make the roads safer for everyone. It's a simple step that can have a big impact. Recalls are a key part of responsible car ownership. They show that safety is a shared responsibility between manufacturers and drivers. So, always take recall notices seriously, follow the instructions, and schedule your repair as soon as possible. It's one of the easiest ways to keep yourself and others safe on the road. Let's see which Toyotas are included in this recall. The recall affects 55,405 vehicles in the U.S., specifically two popular hybrid models. First, the Toyota Camry Hybrid, model years 2025 and 2026. If you own a new Camry Hybrid from these years, check if your car is included. Second, the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid, model year 2026 only. Only the hybrid versions are affected. Gasoline-only models are not part of this recall. The issue is unique to the hybrid powertrain. If you own one of these hybrids, stay alert for official notification from Toyota. Knowing your car is on the list is the first step to staying safe. The recall centers on a single, crucial bolt inside the hybrid system's inverter. The inverter manages electricity between the battery and electric motors, vital for hybrid operation. During assembly, this bolt may not have been tightened properly. A loose bolt can cause incomplete electrical contact, much like a plug not fully in a socket. This poor connection can generate excessive heat, damaging the inverter and nearby components. The problem is hidden deep in the electronics, requiring professional repair. Toyota traced the issue to a specific batch of vehicles made during a certain period. The design and quality of the bolt are not at fault, just the assembly step. That's why only certain vehicles are affected. Toyota is recalling all cars that could have this assembly error. Fixing this bolt is essential for your hybrid's safety. A loose inverter bolt may seem like a small, almost insignificant issue, but in reality it can create a chain reaction of serious dangers for both you and everyone else on the road. First, this loose bolt can disrupt the electrical connection, causing your car to suddenly lose power and stall, an event that's especially hazardous if it happens while you're driving at highway speeds or in heavy traffic. Imagine the stress and danger of your car shutting down unexpectedly in the middle of traffic, leaving you unable to accelerate, steer, or move to safety. In these moments, you're not just inconvenienced, you're at real risk. A stalled vehicle in fast-moving traffic can quickly lead to rear-end collisions or multi-car pileups, increasing the risk of serious injuries for you, your passengers, and other drivers. Second, the loose connection isn't just a stalling hazard, it can also generate intense heat, enough to ignite a fire in the inverter or the surrounding wiring. A fire inside a vehicle is extremely dangerous. It can spread rapidly, filling the cabin with smoke and flames, and making it difficult to escape in time. These combined risks, unexpected stalling and the potential for fire, are exactly why this recall is so urgent and important for every affected vehicle owner. While not every car with this issue will experience a failure, the risk is high enough that all vehicles must be inspected and repaired to prevent possible tragedy. The recall's main goal is to eliminate these dangers, giving you peace of mind and restoring your car's safety and reliability. Don't ignore the warning signs or delay action. Schedule your repair as soon as the fix is available to you. Your safety, and the safety of those you care about, truly depends on taking this recall seriously. Finding a hidden defect like this takes careful investigation. The NHTSA, America's top road safety agency, played a key role. They monitor complaints, manufacturer reports, and conduct their own tests. When patterns emerge, like multiple reports of stalling, they launch an investigation. Working with Toyota, they trace the issue to the inverter bolt. The NHTSA's oversight ensures public safety is the top priority. Once the defect was confirmed, the The recall was officially announced. The NHTSA's involvement gives the recall authority and urgency. Their partnership with Toyota ensures the problem will be fixed for all affected customers. Toyota will repair the inverter bolt issue at no cost to owners. By law, all parts and labor are free for safety recalls. As of now, Toyota is still developing the official repair procedure. Engineers are working to finalize the safest, most effective fix. Once ready, detailed instructions and parts will be sent to dealerships. This process may take several weeks, so owners need to be patient. Toyota is prioritizing this fix and will notify owners as soon as repairs can be scheduled. Rest assured, Toyota is committed to resolving the issue for every affected vehicle. Wondering how you'll know when it's time for your repair? Toyota will notify affected owners by mail in 2 stages. The first letter, coming by mid-February 2026, will alert you that your car is included and explain the risks. The second letter will arrive once the repair is ready, instructing you to schedule a free service appointment. Make sure your registration has your current address so you don't miss these notices. Don't ignore these letters, they're your official instructions. If you notice warning lights or unusual behavior before the fix, contact your dealer immediately. Stay alert and follow Toyota's guidance for your safety. The recall process is designed to keep you informed and protected. If you own a 2025 or 2026 Camry Hybrid or a 2026 Corolla Cross Hybrid, check if your car is affected. Visit NHTSA.gov, recalls, and enter your vehicle identification number to confirm. Until the fix is available, be extra vigilant. Watch for warning lights or unusual smells. If you notice anything strange, pull over safely and contact Toyota or your dealer. Recalls show the system is working to protect you. By getting the free repair, you help keep yourself and others safe. Stay patient, watch for official letters, and follow instructions. Your safety is the top priority. Drive safe and stay informed.